Welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2013 Ford Taurus. This video applies to Ford Tauruses made from 2010 all the way up to 2019. Cabin air filter is located on the passenger side, just behind the glove box. You don't have to completely remove the glove box to access the cabin air filter. You can just drop it down. Basically you just have to push on this side and this side at the same time, so I have to use both of my hands, but I'll show you later what's the catch. Okay, so basically see here, this piece has to go drop down just under this plastic, so it's usually tucked in here. So what you do by pushing here, you just release it and pull it down, but it has to be done on the both sides at the same time, as there is one of these on the other side as well. There is one more thing you need to do before you can get rid of this glove box. There is like a small lever here that's holding the glove box still. So what you can do, I'll show you on this side. You see there's this plastic piece. You just want to push it here towards the opening. I'm trying to work with one hand. Okay, see, it goes right here inside. So you just want to squeeze that out. So there's like this plastic circle, and the idea here is to okay, now it's like in a locked position, you see, and you want to just pull this a black plastic pin up here towards the bigger opening to pull it out. Once you do that, the glove box will be down. Now if you want to remove it completely, it's just held here by 4 of these clips. You can just pull it apart and you can remove it completely, but you don't have to. It's really up to you. So the cabin air filter is located just behind this plastic cover. Now this plastic cover has also 2 pins. One is on the inside and other one is on the other side, right here. But mine is broken, unfortunately, on this Taurus. But anyways, to open it up, you just wanna pull towards yourself on both of these pins. In my case, there is only one pin. It really disconnects quite easy. So this is the cover, and you see how those clips look. And like I said, on this Taurus, for some reason somebody broke it in the past, so I don't have it. And here is your cabin air filter. Now you can use your fingers if you can manage to pull it out, or if not, just use like a small pliers. Okay, you can see that this filter was due to be changed a long time ago. Now when installing the new filter, on most of the filters you will have some kind of a marking, which side is up, which side is down. So that's pretty straightforward. And to install a new one, you pretty much just squeeze it back in. I'm trying to work with one hand again here. Yeah. So make sure to install it straight and all the way in, so the cover can fit nicely. Okay, and that's it. Once the new air filter is in, you can put everything back together and it's good to go. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.